So in adding mixed number, so first is you have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying 4 times 3 plus 1, that is 13 over 4, plus, and then 3 times 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is 29 over 8. And now you cannot add them directly. First, you have to make the denominator the same by multiplying 13 over 4 by 2. So 13 times 2 is 26 over 8 plus 29 over 8. And now you can add the numerator now. 26 plus 29 is 55 over, copy the denominator, 8. Then put it back into mixed number. So 55 divided by 8 is 6 and 7 over 8. And that is the simplest form when you add those two mixed numbers. That's all. Bye.